DIY how to make dog leashes. This is a quick and easy project and only takes a few minutes to make some. Tools and supplies you'll need for this project, full list in the description box. Cut a length of ribbon, any size will do. I want this leash to be a little long so my action figure can let his dog walk ahead of him a ways. Loop it around the neck and check to make sure the measurement's good. Fold the ribbon over onto itself, making a loop. This will become the handle. Add some super glue to this end. It doesn't need much. Carefully fold the ribbon over and hold it in place for a little bit. This ribbon is hard to work with, as you can tell. I like to use the small alligator clamps to hold them in place while they dry. Cut a 2x1 section of the plastic canvas. Use your scissors to trim off the excess. Now you can feed the ribbon around the center bar. You could use tweezers if you would like. It might make it easier. Once you get the ribbon looped around that center bar, you can now glue it down. Just add a little bit of glue. This glue is Gorilla Glue. That's a gel glue. Sometimes it likes to settle towards the bottom. Once you have the glue on there, use that alligator clamp again to hold it still until it dries. Now that that's dry, we can loop this through that first cell in the 2x1 buckle. You could use your tweezers to make it easy on you. Might have to pull a little bit to get it past the loop that we made. And this ribbon likes to fold over on itself. But if you pull it back and forth a few times, you could get all those little loops out. Once you get it all situated, you now have a nice leash for your K9. Just loop this around his neck and pull it tight. The other end, the handle end, will go in your action figure's hand. You could use these to make leashes or harnesses. I'd like to see what you guys could come up with. If you do this project, make sure you share pictures. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. Follow me on social media. Want to help support this channel? Become a Patreon member. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.